Hey guys, how's it going? Now, have you been recently having trouble with trying to send a iMessage or a normal MMS to your friends or family and the message is just not going through? You know how picture messages have these small issues on iPhones? Well, you're not the only one. And in this video, we'll be talking about the top 5 ways on how to fix that issue. This is Varun from Guiding Tech and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is that you can try sending the picture to another contact. It's an effective way to narrow down the source of the problem. If a picture is not going to a particular contact, try sending it to another person. If the picture goes through, then nothing is wrong with your iPhone or network connection. I mean, it's possible that the person that you were trying to send the picture to in the first place has some connectivity issues. That said, if your message is not going to, other contacts as well, then you can pretty much understand that there has to be some issue with your device or on your end. So, okay, once you have narrowed that down, we can try out with the other methods. So here, the first thing that you need to do is check your network connection. If you're using cellular or mobile data, check that you haven't exhausted your current internet plan or subscription. Or on the other hand, if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you should check that the router is active and transmitting data properly. Now, if your network is working properly, but your iPhone is still not sending pictures properly via iMessage, then you need to ensure that iMessage is, actually enabled on your device or not. To do that, launch the iPhone settings menu, scroll down to the bottom and select messages. Now, if iMessage is disabled, toggle it on to activate it. Alternatively, if it is already enabled, toggle it off, wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it back on. Now try to send the picture to the recipient and check if it goes through. Now, one thing that you need to understand is there are two ways to send a picture message to your contacts. One is obviously via the iMessage, but you can also use the standard MMS format to send pictures through. Of course, for the same, you will have to enable MMS on your device and your SIM provider as well. So whenever your iPhone isn't sending pictures via the Messages app, check that MMS is enabled. To do that, launch the iPhone settings app, scroll to the bottom and tap Messages, locate and toggle on the MMS messaging option. Finally, if all else fails, you should try and reset your network settings. Not resetting the device, but reset just the network settings. I mean, for most cases, that is going to be more than enough. To do that, launch the iPhone settings menu, select General, scroll to the bottom and then select Reset. Now tap on the Reset Network Settings option. Enter your phone's passcode to initiate the network reset. Now, as a token rule, I would advise rebooting your device after this as well. Once done, set up your Wi-Fi and mobile data once again and try sending your picture message. And that was it. If you found this video helpful and all of our methods that we listed about actually helped you out, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech and I'll see you in the next one.